Hello friends, today's concept is the concept of OAMP in network management. OAMP stands for Operation, Administration, Maintenance and Provisioning. These are processes or activities, tools and standards involved while operating, administrating, managing and maintaining any system in network management. Operations. This group is concerned with providing daily operations in network services like handover, escalation, major issues, management, call-out, support procedures, regular update of emails, etc. It regulates networks to be smooth and functional all the time. Next is administration. The network administration is concerned with establishing and administrating overall goals, policies, procedures that are necessary for day-to-day operations like common passwords, equipment and tool access, etc. In addition to this, it keeps a track of all resources indulged in network management. Third is maintenance. Maintenance involves handling functions which include both installation and repair of facilities and equipment. It is also about keeping all the devices, hardware and software updates in order to provide efficient performance of network. Provisioning. This involves network planning, circuit provisioning like introducing new services, creating new circuits, installing new hardware. Provisioning is also the configuration of resources within the network. Thank you.